Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and thanks for stopping by today. I am going to give a quick tip on how to mass produce inserts for your cards. I had recently done a sheet load of cards video and I made all these beautiful holiday cards and I need to do the inserts for them. So I wanted to show you how I do that and give you a quick tip. I have the Recollections, the white, just the 65 pound, and this is the 5.5 by 7.5. So I'm just going to use these and I will cut them down. I have my Holtz rotary trimmer here because I can cut multiples at a time, and I'm trying to save myself some time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these down to 5 inches, and then I want the panels to be 3 3/4. Okay, so now, I have 8 right here. I need 16 altogether. So again, cutting this down to 5, and then the 3 3/4. And this is 4 sheets of paper, so you can get everything cut really quickly on this trimmer. Let me get this out of the way. So I have my 16 inserts here. I'm going to be doing 2 different stamps on here. I'm going to do a snowflake, and I'm also going to put a sentiment. I pulled in the Frosty pink, and which is the color cardstock I used on some of these, so that will match perfectly. And then I found a sage color that will go perfectly with that. These are both from Altenew. Alright, so first thing we need to do, I just have my mini Misti here, is I'm going to get this set up. I have my Waffle flower grip mat in there. Okay, so on this side is where I want to do the snowflakes. This is a new set from Tonic Stamp. I forget what it is called. I'm trying to find my packaging for it and I can't. I think it's like Heartfelt something. Oh, it's right on there, duh. Heartfelt Snowflakes. Sorry. So you just put that on where you like. And the it was sticking to the grip mat there, so that's why I wanted to come up a little bit. I don't think I've used this one yet, so I'm just rubbing it to get off any factory residue, and it'll get cloudy, and then you know you're good to go. So I'm gonna make 8 with the silver sage, and then I will make 8 with the frosty pink. And that's just really nice and light. You just kind of want it as a background. Okay. So, and then we have our first one. I'm just going to go through and stamp these all, and I'll speed it up so you don't have to sit through all the stamping, and then we'll do the second part. Okay, so now we have all of our snowflakes on there, and now we'll just do a sentiment. I like this Simon Says Stamp Christmas Blessings set. It's got a lot of really good sentiments in there. I think I'll do Sending Holiday Cheer. So then you can just figure out where do you want this on here. Okay. I am going to use the VersaFine Clair Morning Mist on this, which was also a color that I used for the when I made the cards. So, and the pigment ink will sit on top of the dye ink there. Let me show it to you. So then you would have this to go inside here. So I'm just going to go through again and stamp all these, and I will speed it up again. So that didn't take too long at all. We cut down the Recollection sheets to 3 3/4 by 5, and we went through really quick and put all the snowflakes on, and then went back through and put on the sentiment. So now we have our 16 inserts. So what I will do is I will go through the cards and see which one I like. Like this one, I would probably put the the green one in there. But you can do whatever colors you want, whatever sentiments you want. If this was non-holiday cards, you could put flowers or you know, something else, and then put your sentiment. This is how I really like to do the inside of cards, because I think it just adds a little something to it. So anyway, I will link in the end screen the video for how I made these cards, which was also very quick and easy. I ended up making 16 total, so if you need Christmas cards, that would be the video to watch. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. I will link everything that I used today in the description box, and I do have affiliate links, and all that means is that if you click on my link and end up making a purchase, I might make a small commission from that at zero charge to you, and I greatly appreciate you shopping through my links and supporting my channel. If you found value in the video today, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you could hit that button, I'd greatly appreciate it. And check me out over on Facebook. I post lots of good stuff, including any crafty sales I come across. So that's a good resource for you. Anyway, till next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a wonderful day. Take care.